This was a number of years ago, about 18 years ago. Quoted the timing belt replacement. He came in and was totally taken back and said, you know what, I have never been so disgusted in my life that you would put yourself into a position that you're recommending work that I don't need. Because I've owned Volvos my entire life, and I know for a fact that I don't need to replace this timing belt, and you're just trying to take me for this money. And shame on you, and I will never be back. Okay. I can only quote you what's recommended by the manufacturer. And the Volvos you've owned in the past maybe didn't have timing belts. Don't know. But based on what Volvo recommends, you're at 190,000 kilometers and it's time for a timing belt replacement. And that's what I've quoted you. And this is the actual price and this is what it is. He left upset, disgruntled, mad. 3 weeks later, I receive a call. Mike, I'm on the Gardiner. I was driving my Volvo and there was a loud bang and I lost all power and now I'm stuck on the side of the road. Can you arrange a tow truck for me to come back to your shop? Okay, perfect. You know where this is going. Of course. Get the vehicle back. Under the hood, what do we have? Broken timing belt.